Alright guys, have you ever deleted a file by mistake and then realized it was actually important? Yeah, we've all been there. And sometimes it's not just accidental deletion, it could be a corrupted drive, a system crash, or even a formatted disk, where all your data just disappears. So today, I'll show you exactly how to bring back deleted files using a tool called Stellar Data Recovery for Windows, a software that claims to recover lost files from your PC, SSD, hard drives, USB drives, and more. Whether the files were deleted accidentally or even intentionally, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Before we jump into the process, let's take a quick look at the tool itself. Stellar Data Recovery is well known for its powerful ability to restore different types of files in various situations, like accidental deletion, unrecognized external drives, or system failures. It uses advanced scanning technology to detect and recover over 1,000+ file types. It also works with almost any storage device, including internal drives, external hard disks, USB flash drives, and SD cards. One of the best features is the preview option, which lets you check files before recovering them. In short, whether your data was lost due to a corrupted drive, a formatted partition, or simple deletion, Stellar has you covered. Alright, now to get started, you can directly access this web page using the link in the description, and then click on Free Download. The setup process is pretty straightforward, just like installing any other application. Click on the setup file. Select your preferred language, and install the software. Once it's done, and there we go, we're on the main interface. And as you can see, it's very easy to use. Here, we're in the recovery section where you can choose what you want to recover. You can either select everything or customize the scan based on your needs. Next, in this section, you need to choose the location you want to recover data from, whether it's from connected drives, physical disks, or most common locations. We also have a resume recovery option. This lets you save your scan progress and continue it later. I'll show you that during the video. And over here we have the general settings. And you can also add different raw file formats, photo, video formats, document formats, and there are many other formats. Or you can add a custom file type. Now here, I'll connect my USB drive. Alright, it's refreshing the drive, so let me show you. And here it is. So my drive contains some files like photos, videos, and documents, even PDF documents. Same also inside this folder. I have a lot of photos in here. So what I do now is simply select all these files and delete them. Alright, now it's completely empty. And again, here I'll also format this disk completely. Now let's get back to the software. Here all the data is selected to recover everything. Now we need to recover data from the USB drive, right? Select the drive. Now click on Scan. Now confirm the disk scan and proceed. It starts to look for the deleted files. Also, the scanning process has started. It will take some time based on the data size you have on the drive. It uses advanced scanning to get as many files back as possible. Also, you can see the list on the side based on different file types. So here I'll fast forward a bit. Here already over 100+ photos have been found. Let's check it out. And there we go. The files which I deleted earlier on this USB drive are found here again. You can also preview the photos here, even during the scanning process, which is really cool. And there are other photo file types, the videos, still it will take a couple of minutes, and PDF documents. And there we go. You can even preview your PDF document. Interesting. Let's also check out the videos. And it's perfect. There are no errors or corruption in the videos. It looks perfectly fine. So here I'll fast forward this process. And alright, the scanning process is completed and all the files are found. Now here I want to recover my deleted photos and videos. So check mark the files you want to recover. Once selected, click on Recover. Now select the destination path where you want to save these files. Here I'll save it to the desktop and I'll create a separate folder. Choose the folder and save. All right, now let's open the path. The files which I selected are recovered back. And there we go, the photos got recovered. Let's check out this image. And it looks perfectly fine. There are no errors or issues here. Let's also check out the videos. And again, this is really cool. This is far better. I mean, other software tools usually leave half errors in the files with glitches and some corrupted issues without proper recovery. But this tool actually did a really great solid job. All files are well recovered. Also, even if you have any corrupted hard drive or SSDs, you can easily scan and recover the files using this tool. So right now, my external hard drive is completely empty and got corrupted. You can also take a look at these files. It already found some files in here. And if the scanning process is taking longer based on large data files, you can pause the operation and save the scan information to a path, and you can resume it later. It also lets you load saved scan results, saving time when recovering large amounts of data in multiple sessions. And again, if you want to resume the process, you can resume the recovery again. Overall, Stellar Data Recovery is really straightforward to use and does exactly what it promises. Whether it's accidental deletion, formatting, or even a corrupted drive, it handles recovery pretty well. If you're interested, you can check it out using the link in the description below and try it for yourself for free. And that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.